We're here in Long Beach today, and we just finished going to doTERRA Leadership Retreat, and that was super awesome. But now it's time to do a little playing.
Yep, we're here at the aquarium.
Yeah, Jake kind of lost his voice, but
I just was talking so much, I'm so excited.
It was a really fun week. So now we're gonna go see some cute animals. We're at the gift shop, and it's exciting in here. But check out these cute penguins. Yay! Eels, big sharks, narwhals, penguins. Jake, what are you thinking?
That's awesome.
Check these out. It's a mermaid unicorn. They have all different kinds. Mermaid items. Jake's trying to figure out how these are moving. These are super cute. They're little sticky notes that you can put in your book. And look, we got a penguin. Well, we're having a really great time at the aquarium. We just saw some potbelly seahorses, and Jake thought that they were pregnant.
I made that bad assumption. I probably offended them.
Jake's gonna touch one.
Now, look, raise the shirt. Really big.
Jake, tell us what it feels like.
He's really soft.
Jake
Jake found a shark.
For the one,
He's taking a nap.
75 degrees.
What does the shark feel like?
This one's a little.
Spread out, and out here it's about 64.
Ooh, sharks!
Really good. Get on the
They're
wall.
huge.
If I was swimming in the ocean and that came at me, I'd freak out.
I don't know if you would. I feel like you would go touch it.
No, that one's really big.
It's huge.
So sharks and
We're just taking a breather. Kids got tired.
And so did I. It's been a long week of learning and lots of fun. But I am pooped.
Yeah, we're tired.
But in a good way. This monster. That's cute. We just finished our time at the aquarium.
It was so awesome. Long Beach Aquarium is, seriously, they have so many cool jellyfish, and I love their octopus.
Yeah, it's super cool. I was bummed though because they didn't have the
The bird
There was
area
a the bird area was closed, and they used to have a shark that had like this long pointy kind of saw nose. That was really cool, and I liked him. But I still had a really good time, and it was super fun to go around and just be together. But time to head home.
Thanks for joining.